Okay, Mason. Dia lakoro garong natata Mason. Dia lakoro garong natata Mason. Just say yes. No, you say yes.
Yes.
Yes, good boy. Dita daoro adaliman Mason. How about you, Maya? Ya lakoro garong?
Yes.
Good girl. Dita daoro adaliman Maya? 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 Hello? Anybody home? Ya lakoro adaliman?
Yes.
Yes, good girl. Yeah. Ya lakoro idahan?
Yes.
Yeah, good girl. Good answer. 100 for you. How about you, Mason? Maya smarter than you. Maya smarter than you.
No.
Yeah. So just say yes for all my question, right? Parsipiyong doho, Mason?
Yes.
Good boy. How about you, Maya? Parsipiyong doho?
Yes.
Good girl. Ita daoro ribang, Mason? What's the answer? Yes or no? Otherwise you will be lose. Ita daoro ribang, Mason?
Yes.
Good boy. How about you, Maya? Yes?
Yes.
Ita daoro ribang, Maya?
Yes.
Good girl. Next question.
Wait on this.
I don't know because Sorry? Yeah, I ask you now, right? Next question.
Timing.
Yeah, hang on. I'll show you later. Yeah, sit down, please. Good little girl. Maya. Yes. Maya. Ita daoro inang parengge-rengge, Maya?
Yes.
Yeah, good girl. How about you, Mason?
Yes.
Good boy. Another question. Ita daoro herek? Ita daoro bodat?
Yes.
Yeah, good girl. How about you, Mason? Ita daoro bodat?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Mason and Maya from Australia. Thank you, boys.